Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can share a CapCut project in mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're going to be doing is you're simply going to go ahead and open up your CapCut app. Once you have opened up your CapCut app, you will find your project, or if you haven't, then you can go ahead create yourself a project as well. I'm going to go to the edit section where I will find my existing project. Now what you're going to do from over here is simply going to go ahead, tap on this three dot, and now you will find this option of share project. You can say view and edit project with others. Tap on the share project. Now it will come for you to go ahead log in. You're going to choose an option. I'm going to go with my Google ID. You can add your email or choose Facebook or either Apple ID as well. Tap on continue, and there you go. You are simply signing in through your Google account. Once sign in has been successful, you can tap on this option upgrade now, because apparently you need to upgrade your storage, which will allow us to the section where we'll have to purchase. You can choose 1000 GB or 100 GB. It will differ the amount as well. Tap on purchase. Once you have got it, you will be able to share it with other users and use the option from CapCut itself. And that's how you can take the advantage of that particular feature. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.